Bonang's birthday party plans had fans sweating. TV and radio personality Bonang Matheba was planning her 30th birthday party on her reality show on Thursday night. Image, Bonang Matheba via Twitter. Bonang had fans of her reality show, Being Bonang, sweating on Thursday night when she revealed her budget for her 30th birthday party, a cool R450K. Queen Bee dropped figures while dishing the deets on her 30th bash, which happened last year but was part of the first season of the show currently airing on Zanzi Magic. While the party included all the glitz and glamour you would expect from Emo Girl, the streets were still scheming about what they could do if they were given just a portion to use. Maybe buy WhatsApp data bundles. Yeah, Shona. Brokenness is a real sport when others are guapped, hey. And after not succeeding last week, the streets are still looking for someone to crop her ex, rapper aka, out of the show.